First you got a panel, mounting panel. We'll leave it here. The Starlink itself. Okay. So this chart shows the box got a Starlink panel, a router, a long cable, a QR code, which obviously you need to download and install the phone app, which will help you eventually to get your Starlink going. So we'll check that out later. We'll leave it here. Okay. And it also comes with a router, which is good. Nice, sleek, smart router with the two options: power input, and then the other wire goes to here, which will connect the Starlink to the router, right? Okay, here's the power cable. Okay, the wire is pretty long. It's really easy to mount it. You just have to, take the Starlink and put on top of the mounting panel like this, and rotate it and push it, so it locks automatically. Now let's plug the power connection. It's done. Power light has been turned on, and now the Starlink cable is also connected. All done from this side. Now we'll connect this router with the phone to get it going. So we have installed the Starlink app. The first thing we've got to do is find and install a location. So let's click on that. It will ask for the certain permissions, camera and location. Now you have to select the Starlink model that you got, and this will open up your camera, right? And then you have to scan this guy, so it will find out if you have any sort of obstructions in the sky. Now let's see what we got. So basically it helps you find the best location for your Starlink, which angle you need to put your Starlink to, and this will obviously help you get the faster speed. So let's see. You may want to find a better spot. I don't have a better spot actually at this moment because I haven't mounted the device on the roof. So let's see if we can set it up here before putting it on the roof. Let's see if it works here. Okay, so now hit next. We'll join the network, open up the settings, turn on the Wi-Fi. Let's connect it. And we'll click here for the authentication. Enter Wi-Fi name. I'll set up the password. Wi-Fi home. Let's connect it. Alright, so the Wi-Fi has been connected. Now we'll open up the app again. Let's do the speed test. Even though I haven't put it in the right spot, still The download speed is awesome.